be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial. If you found it helpful or had fun creating your drawing, give it a thumbs up. And hey, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your fellow friends or anyone looking for an easy drawing tutorial. Remember, there are more drawings coming your way, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to know when we release new, exciting drawing tutorials. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, happy drawing!